Hi guys, so this is the bong right here, and in today's video, as you can see guys, our roads is different than before, and actually you can download it for yourself as well. It will work with your Fivem client, not for your Fivem server. Okay, this is not for Fivem server but for Fivem client. Okay, so if you don't have a Fivem server, it's okay. You can still have this design of roads. As you can see, let's go somewhere else. All right, so it looks clean and it looks beautiful, as you can see guys. So let's go. I will teach you on how to install this one for your Fivem for Fivem client. Alright, on your desktop you have to open your Google Chrome, and in your Google Chrome you have to open for GTA 5 mods, and inside of that GTA 5 mods you have to search for road. Okay, sorry about the background noise. As you can see guys, this is the road that we're going to use, Roads of Europe. Okay, you just have to click this one and click the download one. Once you've downloaded it, you then go to your download folder and open it via WinRAR. So guys, if you don't have a WinRAR, you can actually search it on Google and download it. So we will open it directly on our WinRAR. So I just have to double click on it, and then as you can see, there is a notepad here. You have to open this one, and since we're using Fivem client, so we have to copy the download link, this one. So we have to copy this one, and I will paste it on the browser, and then there you go. This is the file that we're going to use. It's actually Roads of Europe, and it costs you 1.74 gigabytes. Now I will not download it because I already downloaded it on my PC. So I will go to my download and I compress. This is it, which is 1.8 gig. Okay, now I don't actually you can extract it using WinRAR, something like this, and then you just have to wait. Sorry about the noise on the background. I will go somewhere. They're like, talking. All right, and there you go. Once the download is done, you have to open the folder, and there is a readme here. You can actually read for the installation guide. So you have to open the appdata local fivem.app/mod. Okay, so today I will quit here, and then make sure you close your Fivem application first. Then you have to open here. You have to select the icon of Fivem, and then right click on it, and then open file location, and this is it. Fivem application data, you go there, and if you don't have a folder called mods, then you have to create new one. As you can see guys, the installation is you have problem with this if you follow this one, because as you can see, you have to put it on a folder mod, so without S. But actually it will not work if the folder you created if the folder that you created is mod, not mods. So there is a difference between the two, which it has S on the last, so it's mods, not mod. Okay, so you have to open this folder, and then you go to the download folder, which is below of the readme or the notepad. You just have to drag and drop here, and then since I already have it on my mods folder, you have to click the replace. I will have to click the replace. Okay, now it's just that it's so easy, you know. And then first up, I encounter about this. I have a problem on this at first. So when I open my Fivem application, it will have an error. But actually, I just redo everything and open again the Fivem server, and finally it works. So let's open up. And here we go, we're inside of our server, and as you can see guys, the roads are different. It's not the same with the old one. Look at that, it's so beautiful, you know. And I think that's it for today's video guys, and I hope you like this tutorial. You can hit that subscribe button so that it can help me with, you know. All right, thank you guys, and bye bye.